Here, gotta show you some historic, some old BMWs, Yamahas. But this is it's the Calf Racers, man. Check it out. Give you a little preview here. Check it out, man. You don't see these around too much. Some old Beamers, Nortons, old Kawasaki's. We got it all, man. There you go, look at that. Old Commando, electric start, Norton. Old Honda 350. Yeah, nice, huh? There you go. Pretty fancy schmancy. There you go, guys. Look at that. Take you over here and show you this one. Nice Triumph. Man, look at that. Triumph Bonneville. Cool, man. This is nice. Look at this, guys. Shifter. Little bike stuff for you guys. Pretty fancy. There you go. For the Calf Racer fans. Alright. The 500 Kawasaki over there. There you go. Peace out from Blues Heart 59. Sweet. There you go. Peace out. Until next time, have a great week.